Om Srimatre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 21st July 2024, Sunday, Krodhinama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishmarudo Adi Masam, that is Karkadaga Masam, Shukla Paksham, up to 4:48 p.m. Paurnami, then Pradhamai. Bhanuvasarayuktayam, Nakshatram up to 2:05 Uttradam, then Tiruvonam. Today's Rahugalam 4:30 to 6 p.m. Yamakandam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Guliyagalam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Today's good time 9 to 10:30 a.m. then 3 to 4:30 p.m. Chandrashtamam up to 8:45 a.m. Rishabharashi, then Midhuna Rashi. All Ashirvadam on the auspicious day of Guru Purnima day from Ma Mukambika.